Hello, and thank you for visiting Pre-Owned Motor Cars website. Today I'm going to show you this 2019 GMC Denali Duramax 6.6 diesel 4x4 truck. First off, I want you to notice all the nice chrome accents on it also, and that is an actual functional hood scoop for the 6.6 diesel. It also has your sensors in the front also. Chrome mag wheels. This is a 3500. Rear sensors also. This comes with a 373 axle ratio. Your payload capacity is 3,927 pounds. Your hitch capacity is 13,000 pounds, and your fifth wheel capacity is 17,200 pounds. The Denali comes with your power locks, your windows, cruise control, 2 settings for your seat, power driver's side seat, and power driver's passenger seat also. Do a startup for you. Vehicle currently has 26,396 miles on it. 4-wheel drive system. Trailer towing system also. You have your cruise control, tilt wheel. Also, this comes standard with an 8-inch screen with navigation on the Denali. Foot pedal adjuster, traction control, rear cargo light, park assist, lane departure, and an exhaust brake. Cooled and heated seats on both sides. Phone charging, sunroof, power slide rear window. If you have any questions about this vehicle or any other vehicle that we have in stock, please feel free to give us a call at 808-334-1111 and we'll answer any questions you may have. Once again, my name is Rhino, and thank you for watching the video. Have a great day.